Imagine living each day with clarity, energy, and resilience, not because of synthetic medicine or chemical pills, but by returning to the pure habits of the Sunnah. Habits so simple, yet powerful enough to rewire your brain, supercharge your immunity, and align your life with divine balance. This is not just ancient tradition, this is science meeting faith. Modern research is only now beginning to understand what the Prophet Muhammad taught over 1400 years ago. Science is caught up with faith, and it's proving something remarkable. The Sunnah contains embedded systems of healing, biological, psychological, and spiritual. Let's begin this deep journey by exploring the ways these simple habits can profoundly rewire your life. 1. The science behind Sunnah habits. Sunnah isn't just religious, it's deeply physiological. Today, neuroscience and immunology both show that behavior affects biology, and the Prophet's lifestyle is a blueprint for optimal biological performance. Everything from fasting to how you sleep, to how you brush your teeth with miswaka's measurable modern benefits. Sleep before midnight activates your brain's glymphatic system, clearing toxins. Fajr time wake-ups align with cortisol peaks, balancing alertness. Swak has antibacterial properties stronger than some commercial toothpastes. Olive oil reduces inflammation, enhances skin health, and even boosts cognition. Everything the Prophet did was in alignment with natural cycles, circadian rhythms, hormonal cycles, and emotional well-being. 2. Morning Sunnah rituals that build immunity and focus. A powerful morning builds a powerful day. Start it like the Prophet. Wake up before Fajr. This aligns your body with the natural sunrise rhythm, optimizing melatonin and serotonin levels for focus and mood. Drink water while sitting. This simple act prevents organ shock and promotes hydration absorption. Morning Adkar. These aren't just spiritual studies show that reciting calming phrases slows heart rate, reduces cortisol, and boosts immunity. Apply olive oil to the skin. It acts as an anti-inflammatory barrier and improves skin microbiome. Eat 7 Ajwa dates. A study in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found they help regulate blood sugar and protect the liver. Fasting isn't just a religious discipline, it's biological medicine. Mondays and Thursdays aren't random, they're spaced perfectly to allow autophagy, detox, and immune renewal. 3. The power of fasting for brain and body. When you fast, your body doesn't shut down, it upgrades. Autophagy kicks in. Your body cleans out damaged cells and regenerates. Growth hormone surges, muscle and cognitive regeneration increases, inflammation drops. Chronic inflammation is the root of nearly every modern disease. Your brain becomes sharper. Fasting boosts brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, linked to memory and mental clarity. Sunnah fasting 2 days a week has been shown to outperform daily caloric restriction. This isn't starvation, it's strategic healing. 4. Quran plus grounding equals nervous system reset. Take off your shoes, feel the earth. This is called grounding. When done with Quran recitation, the effect is phenomenal. Walking barefoot on grass or sand regulates the parasympathetic nervous system. Listening to Quran outdoors like Surah Ar-Rahman lowers heart rate variability and improves emotional stability. Grounding helps neutralize free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress. Try this for just 20 minutes a day. Combine it with slow breathing and dhikr, and you'll feel your nervous system soften. It's a natural mental detox. 5. Sunnah supplements that actually work? Let's talk real medicine. The Prophet recommended natural remedies that are now studied in labs. Black seed Nigella sativa boosts immunity, balances blood sugar, reduces inflammation. Honey plus warm water, antiviral, energizing, and promotes gut healing. Zamzam water. Lab tests show it's mineral-rich, alkaline, and uniquely structured. Dates. High in potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. These aren't home remedies. They're prophetic prescriptions backed by modern research. They affect gut microbiota, hormonal balance, and even mood. 6. Emotional Sunnah that heals the body. Emotions affect biology. The Sunnah trains your emotional life as much as your physical. Smile, it's a Sunnah, and proven to reduce blood pressure and release dopamine. Say Alhamdulillah. In hardship, it rewires the brain for resilience. Avoid anger. The Prophet repeatedly warned about its toxicity. Modern studies show anger weakens immunity, strains the heart, and accelerates aging. Practice gratitude at night. It improves sleep and reduces depression. Even your relationships are part of healing. Treating others well, forgiving quickly, and maintaining ties of kinship have direct impact on physical health. 7. Movement and mindfulness. In Sunnah, daily movement like walking after meals, proven to help digestion and blood sugar, is part of Sunnah. So is mindful eating, sleeping on your right side, and even yawning etiquette, all supported now by studies. The Prophet said, "Your body has a right over you. Caring for it, respecting its cycles, and following divine rhythms unlock its healing." You don't need a pharmacy. You need remembrance. You don't need a supplement shelf. You need the habits of the Prophet. Healing is not about adding more. It's about returning to your fitra, your nature, your balance. Let the Sunnah guide your brain, your body, and your soul back to alignment. If you're ready to live the prophetic way, healthy, whole, and guided, subscribe and join this journey.